Why is my Amazon ads campaign generating traffic but no sales? This is the most common question, and there can be two reasons for that. One, that is Amazon ads related. Second, that is not Amazon ads related. And first, what we would be doing, we are first checking what is not Amazon ads related. Again, we did not have this process beforehand. Now we do. Ask me why. Because it happened to us, right? So something that is not Amazon ads related can be if you're losing a buy box. In that case, your listing is not going to be shown on the platform. Hence, even if you're running ads, it's not going to provide anything, right? So here, in this sense, I believe that you're saying, why is my Amazon PPC campaign generating traffic but no sales? It's not anymore applicable to you because you do have traffic. I assume impressions, clicks, but no sales. So it's good to understand that, because if that happens, you would not even go to the buy box, but you would go to the are my ads relevant, which is the PPC column, right? Checklist that I like to check out. Really important, do you target the right audience? By the right audience, I mean, are these keywords exactly describing your product? 2, do you target a too broad or too narrow audience? In this case, what can happen is that you might be generating impressions, but the audience that you are trying to reach out to are not interested necessarily in exactly your product, right? So those are the first things that I would be looking into. 3, whoever you're targeting is really totally the wrong audience. Again, if you're selling lip balm, right? And if you would be even in auto match and Relieva, so eye drops are coming up, clearly you know that first off, that is not the product that you want to sell. Hence, why you would have generated irrelevant clicks. So those are the first steps that I would be doing and going through. Is this PPC related? Is this not PPC related? Going through everything that is not PPC related, and only afterwards what is PPC related.